Hi, my name's Brad Morass. I'm the Motorsport Australia Recovery Manager. I drive the Ford Ranger recovery vehicle on the circuit and respond to any on-track incidents. It's not only about having horsepower to get us there, it's about having the confidence in the braking capacity of the vehicle. Our good friends at DBA have provided us with an upgraded package, which just gives us the confidence time and time again, every time, to stop when we need it to. The key benefits we've found with the upgraded braking kit fitted to the Ford Ranger recovery vehicle: enhanced braking performance. It gives us more consistent brake every time, reduced stopping distances, more confident braking. When we put our foot on the pedal, we know it's going to stop every time. The upgraded brake kit comes with 6-piston enhanced calipers, semi-matte carbon fibre XP pads and kangaroo paw ventilated 4000 series T3 rotors. The DBA brake upgrade kit gives us consistent braking performance versus the OEM. There's a lot less brake fade. With the DBA brake upgrade kit, it requires 60% less effort on the pedal compared to the OEM brakes. If you have a Ford Ranger or any four-wheel drive, I can highly recommend the DBA brake upgrade kit. It gives me confidence every time.